Hey, good morning. Anyway, good morning, good afternoon. Harish వచ్చాడా? హరీష్ వచ్చాడు. డాక్టర్ వచ్చాడా? డాక్టర్ హాస్పిటల్కి వెళ్ళినట్టున్నాడు. Yesterday class, there is the on-click event and on-input event, like two events we completed yesterday class. Today class also you see terms of like events. Today class, let me go for the event like on-change event. So event means what? Action. When you click on something, when you click on the button, what event is triggered? Click on the button click means what event is triggered. On click event is triggered. It is calling the function like so corresponding function executed, you'll get the output value. That is called on click event. You check this like we have the select data here. Select your job location. Select the job location and take in a drop down. Just you can see that select your job location. So as you know, like ID attribute is there, and ID means what? Who can read the data? JavaScript can read the data. Option value equal to select tag and is what tags? Option tags. Option one is like select tag, which is like empty value. Hyderabad is there, Chennai is there, Bangalore is there, USA is there. Good. See, when I select the Hyderabad, and I select what? Hyderabad, I want to send the HYD to server, like JavaScript or who are reading the data. Who are selecting Hyderabad? Hyderabad is sending to JavaScript, HYD is sending to JavaScript. HYD is sending to the JavaScript. Because here you can write the short names like Chennai. Chennai short name is what? Chennai short name. CH something like that. Fine. Bangalore is like short name is something like BANG, something you can write that. USA means what? United States of United States of America. You write the USA. When I select the Hyderabad is sending to JavaScript, only HYD value attribute is sending to JavaScript. Value attribute. See what the value attribute in return the message that is sending to the server. Chennai means what? Hyderabad means what? HYD. Chennai means what? CH. Bangalore means what? BANG. United States of America means USA. Like that, we are setting the database. When I change the option, if I select the Hyderabad, if I select the Chennai, changing the option. Changing the option. Yesterday class on click. On click means what? When you click on the event, on click event is triggered. On click event. Hey, Soumya, tap, what are you doing? Array, how many times I need to scroll? చెప్పి నాకు ఇసిపోతుంది తప్పితే మీరు మారడం కానీ when I'm talking, you know already JavaScript, you know everything. Then why you came to the class? Star is saying something you have to different. నువ్వు చెప్పే కదే పొడవమన్నప్పుడేమో ఏమన్నప్పుడేమో పొడుగుతురు, పొడవమన్నప్పుడేమో ఆడు వంశీగాడు నిద్రలేసప్పుడు పక్కన నడుపు వచ్చిన వంశీగాడు నిద్రపోతాను. ఒక ట్రాన్స్ లో ఉంటున్నారు మీరు, ఒక ట్రాన్స్. దట్ ఈస్ లైక్ హైదరాబాద్. Yesterday class on click event. Button click is there, on click event is triggered. Second one is what? On input. First one, if we enter the input, second output coming automatically, right? Today is like changing the option, on change event. The name itself is having the event guys. Changing the option means what event is triggered? On change event. What event on change, right? Yeah, that's what guys. When you select the Hyderabad, change to option like Chennai, change to option like Bangalore, change to option like United States of America. Yes, what event is triggered here? On change event. Go for the on change event. On change event, just like something like I written the function name is what? Job location. And you can copy this function name here. On change event is triggered. This function is got executed. And you write the internal script like script tag guys. You write the function like tell me the function here. Job location. So guys, job location, job location we got it. As usual, when the function executed, first of all, read the input data. Read what data ma? Input data. See, maybe you selected Hyderabad. Maybe you see 3 steps are common. Read the data. How many steps? 3 steps. So the 3 steps. Read the data. Process the data. Print the output. How many ways you can print the output? How many ways you can print the output? 4. One is the console.log. You can print the data in the console. Second one is the alert messages. Third one is on the browser. Fourth one is on the text box. On the text box. First of all, read the data. To read the data, what is the root object of document? Document is representing entire browser, like DOM parent element is the document object. Document dot what get element by ID. See guys, here I taken the ID is what location. Because this select contains one option or multiple options are. Then this ID attribute you should take on the select tag. Select ID is what location. Then you can go for the get element by ID. Just you can write what location, right? Exactly. Guys, select location you can take. Yesterday class we done the if else if if else else if is to take one option true, that's all. There is no else block. Only if condition is there. Only if condition means what to take how many options? One option. If else, huh? Two options. Else if more than two options. Three, like four or five or whatever it may be. Take the more than what? Two options. We have the else if, right? We have what? Else if. Today class, let me write the switch case. Coming to switch case, what is syntax of switch case? Tell me. Just you can write the switch off. Switch off what? Argument. You can pass the value like that. Switch off argument. You write the cases here. Case 1 is there. The corresponding statements got executed. After the statements, you can write what? Break. Like that, you can write what? Case 2. Corresponding statements you can write, and you can write the break. After that, what case 3. Corresponding statements you can write, and you can write the break. See guys, any case is matched, the case executed. If the case are not matched, default executed, just you can write the default statements, and you can write the breaker. Okay, that is called switch case. Depends on the argument, the matched case will be executed. It depends on what argument the matched case will be executed. Case are not matched. Case are not matched, then what happened? Case are not matched means what executed here? Default got executed, right? Exactly. Guys, you can write a simple switch case here. Switch off, switch off what? You can pass the argument is what? Location. What the location we got it? What is the location, right? That's it. Okay, you write the cases now. Just you can write the case. The location may be what? Hyderabad. Location is what? Hyderabad. Tell me what you want to do. You want to print the message in the color browser or console? Browser. If you want print the output in the browser means you should take what? Empty tag, right? You please take the empty tag. Just to take the empty tag. Empty tag contains what attribute here? ID attribute. You can take the message. That's it. Then you can go for the Hyderabad. If it is Hyderabad, location is what? Hyderabad. Then Hyderabad location is a case is matched. The case is matched. How to represent the data case? Document dot. Document dot what? Document dot get element by ID. Message dot inner HTML. Inner HTML. What message here? Yeah. Welcome to. Okay. Please report in what? Please report in Hyderabad branch. Please report in what branch? Hyderabad branch. You write the something like break condition here, right? Good. But like that, guys, you just select the location. Then location is stored in the location variable. Switch you can pass that location. If location is Hyderabad, case means match means Hyderabad is printed. Like that, you write the cases for that first case, and you write the second case, and you write the third case. And you write the default case. Just you can write the default case. Yeah, default case document dot get element by ID like that case. Hyderabad, next one is what? Chennai, CHE, third one is what? Bangalore. Bangalore is what? PNG written, right? So you select this is what? Chennai branch, and this is what? Bangalore branch. And this is else block I written the USA is I was not written for the case, directly written for the default case. If any other thing is not matched, what happened by default? USA branch, right? USA branch welcome something like that. Wait, that's all, guys. When you click on the this is what option here? Select. Select contains what? Options. You change the option, then what happened here? Unchange event is triggered. Unchange event is triggered. What is called here? Job location. Then what happened here? Corresponding job location executed, and we got the location. Pass that location to what? Switch case. Pass the location to what? Switch case, and we can execute the corresponding case, right? Exactly. I simply can come to the browser. Right click and open with the live server. Open with the live server. Yeah, you select the job location, guys. You select the Hyderabad, then simply you get what? Hyderabad location, right? That's a message. See, guys, report in what branch here? USA branch. Tell me. So here you select the Chennai. Chennai also what branch? USA branch. Bangalore also what branch? USA branch. Oh, it means like all what case executing? default case executing. Why the default case executing means here when you get the value guys, we should use what attribute? Value attribute. If I forgot to write the value attribute, then you can select the Hyderabad. Now you can see that please report in what branch here? Hyderabad branch. You select the option like Chennai, Chennai branch is coming, right? If you select the Bangalore, Bangalore option is coming. If you select any other branch, what happened here? USA we written, right? That is, please report in what branch here? USA. Hey, that is called on change event. What event is triggered? On change. That's all. On change. Got it done? So we take the unchange. What the option you taken? Select tag you taken. Select tag ID contains what one? Location. You select the option. Select what? Option. Which option selected? That is reading in the JavaScript. Hey, what event is triggered here? On click the on input the on change. On change means corresponding read the data and corresponding switch case you can write. Corresponding what? Switch case. Hey, that is a called conditional statements. Total how many conditional statements we have? What? Four. What the four here? 1, 2, 3, 4. One is what? If block. Second one is the if else. If and if else. Third one is what? Huh? Else if the last one is block. Switch, right? Just you can write the switch case like that. That's all. In total, we have the four cases. If else if and what the switch case. If he is to take how many options? If he is to take the one option. If else, two options. True and false case, right? True case and false. Else if more than two options. Else switch also more than two options, right? Like multiple options you can take. See, else if and switch is meant for two options or multiple options, sir? Huh? Two options or multiple options, sir? Multiple options, right? Multiple options. Yeah, LC and switch is meant for the multiple options. What a difference then? What a difference with LC and switch? Yeah, switch contains a break, right? What is switch contains what? Break. LC does not contain the break. Yes or no? Very important point. One more important point. Switch contains SWI TCH. Else if contains ELSC IF. Second important point. Yes or no? అక్కడ బ్రేక్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ బ్రేక్ లేదన్నప్పుడు అక్కడ స్విచ్ ఎస్డబ్ల్యూఐ టీసీహెచ్ హియర్ వాట్ ఎల్సిఫ్ ఈఎల్ఎస్సి ఐఎఫ్ ఎల్సిఫ్ సార్ మాకు బోత్ కేసెస్ సెమీకోలన్స్ ఆర్ థర్డ్ పాయింట్ ఇస్ వాట్ బోత్ కేసెస్ సెమీకోలన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఫోర్త్ కేస్ చెప్పండి హియర్ కేసెస్ ఆర్ దేర్ సిఏఎస్సి ఎల్సిఫ్ కేసెస్ ఆర్ దేర్ నాట్ దేర్ ఎవరు అంత masking what is different with LC and switch. Hey, we never ask like what is LC, what is switch. We'll ask a question like in conditional statements. Hey, tell me when you use LC and when you use switch case. You know for loop, you know while loop, but you don't know when to use for loop, when to use while loop. Real time required when to use what condition. Get it right? When to use what now? LC and when to use switch case. That's it. When to use switch, when to use LC. Both are to take one option, multiple options, sir. Some may will tell the answer. What are different between LC and switch? You don't know. Then tell. Then tell like this break is there, break is not there now. Which station है? मुझे अपना निपेरे पेरे रचिता multiple alternates switch also multiple right case 1 case 2 case 3 case 4 like that you can write the default here also multiple and else block is there here default is there what is the difference when to use else if and when to use switch hey knowing the concept is not at all important where we should apply what data is very important you know for loop right you know while loop, but you don't know when to use for loop, when to use while loop. Hey, here two things. Naresh is there. No? Naresh know how to play the cricket. Ochara? Cricket ochara? Ochara? Naresh know how to play the cricket. Naresh know how to play the cricket. You know white ball, you know how many balls in the over, you know how to bat and you know all the things, right? Yes, sir. Vaibhav Suryavanshi is a 14 years player, right? Yesterday 50 runs he scored. He also know the cricket. He also know the cricket. 22 years Naresh know the cricket and Vaibhav Suryavanshi also know the cricket. But Naresh is roaming in Amirpet roads. Vaibhav Suryavanshi is what? Playing in the IPL match. What the difference? He is playing in what? Amirpet grounds, right? Prasad Mora. He is playing in Amirpet grounds. You know the cricket, right? Why don't he select for the IPL? Why don't he select for the IPL? That is very, very important point. You know cricket, right? Why don't you play for the IPL? He knows the cricket. Vaibhav Suryavanshi also knows what? Cricket. You know subject, but you are not entering the industry. Why? Here the 2 points, we have the knowledge and we have the skill. Naresh knows only knowledge about the cricket, how many balls are there, why is not ball, why ball, like that. Vaibhav Suryavanshi knows how to play the cricket in skill. Apply the knowledge, make it skill, then you will get the powerful. Make it powerful like that. Yes or no? You guys knows only knowledge. Knowledge means what? What is if condition? What is if else condition? What is a for loop, like that? What is a skill means? What requirement? What you are able to apply? That is called skill. Once you have the skill, you are fit for industry. Once you have the knowledge, you can play in Amirpet grounds only. Amirpet grounds means Amirpet Astros. Nothing. Very, very important things. Knowledge and what? Skill. Knowledge and skill. You know, right? You know how to cook how to cook the chicken biryani. Yes, sir. You know how to prepare the chicken, right? Chicken curry at least. You are going to restaurant, you are eating the chicken, it's very nice, no? Why don't you cook the same biryani very nice? Why not? But the chef knows how to prepare that biryani. Is a skilled person. Skilled in the sense what time, what masala should add, how much time it has to cook properly, and he is applying what skill. You are applying the skill or just knowledge. Skill. The skill and idea. If you have the skill, you should not be in what? Then clarity about what? Knowledge and skill. Knowledge means I know for loop. That is called knowledge. Skill means you know when to use for loop. What requirement to use for loop. What requirement we will use for loop. That is like requirement based. Okay? Skill based, we have to learn the concept. LCF and switch, when to use LCF means LCF is used to write the conditions. If salary is greater than 50,000, less than 1 lakh, we need to apply some discount, like some increment bonus like that. We write the conditions, you can go for LCF. LCF is a condition based execution. Switch is not condition based, value based, argument based. Is a condition is there, a value is there, a value. Location Hyderabad, Hyderabad is there. Again, you don't write Hyderabad equal to Hyderabad like that. No? Chennai equal to Chennai. Condition don't write. When to should write the condition? If salary is greater than 50,000, or we can write the student average between the 70 and the 80 like that. So LCF is like, when we have the condition. A main problem is like, this knowledge important, skill important. What is the skill? Apply the knowledge properly. Knowledge means you know for loop. Skill means you know when to use for loop. When to use for loop. You always think about when to use what condition. That is very important. Still you are thinking about syntaxes, break is there, break is not there, two types of methods, one type of method, it is declared inside the class, declared outside of the class. I am syntax earlier. Syntax only real time zero importance words. What importance? Zero importance. Why that is information guys. This is called switch case. What event is triggered here? Unchange. When you click change the option, what event is triggered? Unchange event is triggered. What event is what the function is called? Job location. Then you get the input is what the location. That location given to what the switch case. If Hyderabad case Hyderabad is there, I print the message. Tell me guys, case Hyderabad is there, print the message. Case Chennai is there, print the message. Case Bangalore is there, print the message. That is called conditional statements we completed. If else, else if. Else if is a multiple option, the condition based. When you have write the multiple condition, go for else if. When do you switch case, condition based or argument based? No condition. Just argument you pass to Hyderabad case executed. I Chennai's case. Any condition is there? Condition is what? Which returns the Boolean value. Condition means what? It returns? It returns the Boolean value, right? Exactly. Hey, do you know operators, right? What are the operators telling? We have the arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operator. Any explanation required? Plus, minus, star, division, modular. Okay, fine. Next one is what? Relational operators. What are relational operators? We know greater than, less than, something like that. Greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to, something like that, right? Relational operators. Logical operators. You know logical operators, right? And or not okay, and or not. And or not means what? And means this one. Or means like this one. Not means what? This one, right? Exactly. Hey, you know and operator, right? What the role of and operator? Both conditions are satisfied. That becomes what? True, right? That is called knowledge. What is skill? Tell me. Both conditions are satisfied, get the output is that is knowledge. Skill, tell me. What is your skill? Skill means what? When to use. చెప్పండి. Both conditions are true, then you get the true. That is called knowledge. I'm asking that skill. What does skill meaning? When to use. Reading. మాక చెప్పు సైలెంట్ చేతులు కట్టుకొని సోఫా లగ్జరీ బస్సులో కూర్చున్నాం. నేను పెద్ద డ్రైవర్ లెక్క పాల్తా ఉన్నా, నువ్వు అక్కడ కూర్చొని నిద్రపోతా నా సోఫా చేతులు కట్టుకొని చెప్పు ఏదో ఒకటి. బోల్తా మీరు క్లాస్ లో ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవ్వాలి. యూ షుడ్ టెల్ సమ్ ఆన్సర్స్. తప్ప గొప్ప తర్వాత చూసుకోవచ్చు. యూ స్పీక్ సంథింగ్ అండ్ యూ ట్రై టు ఇంటరాక్ట్. అప్పుడు కొద్దిగా లేజినెస్ పోవాలి, సబ్జెక్ట్ మీద ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అవుతుంది. మీరు ఆ నరేషం ఎట్ట కాసేపు ఉంటాం మళ్ళీ ఇటు దొరుకుతుంది అంటే అప్పుడు గ్రేట్ మీరేం చెప్తే అది రాస్తారు అక్కడ. చెప్పండి. మార్క్స్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 90 and marks less than 80. Less than 80 something like that. Okay, fine. A grade we got it. Nice. ఇంకోటి చెప్పండి సార్. చికెన్ బిర్యానీ. ఏమే కండిషన్ చెప్పు. మీరు డెవలపర్స్ బడీస్, మీరు డెవలపర్స్ అయినప్పుడు మీరు కండిషన్ రాయాలి. మీరేం చెప్తున్నారు? ఐ వాంట్ లోన్ అంటున్నారు. ఇట్లా ఇండివిజువల్స్ అంటారు, బ్యాంక్ వచ్చి ఐ వాంట్ లోన్ సార్ ప్లీజ్ సార్. You don't have end user point of view. End user will come to bank, is asking loan, give me, I want driving license. You are developers, right? You tell me the conditions. What you are going to write the conditions. Age is loan apply చేయాలంటే ఏజ్ కావాలా? ఏజ్ greater than 18 years. 22. చార్జర్ కావాలా? శాలరీ శాలరీ is greater than 1 lakh. 1 lakh 10,000 కావాలి. అండ్ లోన్ అంటే నువ్వు ఏం చెప్పాలమ్మా సార్? శాలరీ అదే salary should be greater than 10,000 undaali. Civil score should be greater than 150 or 750, something like that. What is the answer? You write the civil is what? Greater than 750. అంత ఎందుకు ఆలోచిస్తున్నారు? యూజర్ నేమ్ షుడ్ బి greater than password should be, both should be matched only. User name password both should be matched. Like multiple ఉంటాయి. మీరు ఇంకా అని చెప్పండి. ల్యాప్టాప్ రన్ అవ్వాలంటే ఛార్జర్ ఉండాలి. ఇంకేముండాలి? ఛార్జర్ ఉండాలి. బాటిల్కి ఏమో క్యాప్ ఉండాలి అండ్ వాటర్ ఉండాలి. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఈజ్ ఎ ఫ్యాన్. ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఈజ్ వాట్? ఫ్యాన్. రెక్కల్ ఈజ్ ద వెరీ గుడ్ సార్. రెక్కల్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్స్. కొండ కొండ Hey, marks should be greater than 90 and less than. Salary should be civil score, loan apply, username and password. Like that, you can write the multiple conditions and operate. Or operator, R means what? Anyone should be satisfied. That is a knowledge. That is what? Skill. Skill దగ్గర తేడా అవుతుంది కదా. Skill ఒక్క రోజు రాదులే. One day you will not become scientist. చిన్నగా ఆలోచించండి. You try to analyze like that and you try to get the points. Then at least after the class you think when to use while, when to use for, when to use do while. What is a class? For the class, why you are creating 5 objects? Class is there, why you are creating objects? That will not learn. Events. When you do something, event is triggered. Where what event is triggered? On click is triggered, on change is triggered, on input is triggered. Then on click means what? What function it is calling? Okay, this function is calling, we are doing action. In that function, first of all, read the data, write the logic, and print the output. The output can be printed in the four ways: console.log, alert message, in the browser, in the text box. Like that, we should speak. R operator tell me, R means what? Anyone should be satisfied, right? That is called knowledge. What is scale? Scale. No. Wanna come on? Vowels. Vowels. Vowels అంటే vowels ఎందుకు? vowels ఎందుకు? తెలుగులో అచ్చులు చుల్లులు అయ్యా ఏఈ ఐ ఓ ఎందుకని ఏఈ ఐఓ ఓకే ఫైన్ ఏఐఓ ఇస్ వాట్ vowels అయితే ఐఓస్ లైక్ దట్ tell me R operator A is less than 16, greater than 25. Not A should be less than 16 or working, right? Less than 18 is enough, right? And below 16 వర్క్ చేసుకోవచ్చా వాళ్ళ ఒకలేదు వాళ్ళకి స్పెషల్ పవర్స్ ఇచ్చిన నేను ప్లాన్ చెప్పరా నీ ఏజ్ అని వాడు ఏజ్ నరేష్ అయితే కలుపుకొని అదొక కండిషన్ ఫ్రేమ్ చేయాలి number is divisible by 2. And for also scientists but if you think like that hey R operator spreadsheet standard R operator example చెప్పరా ఉత్సాహరామా నర్సల్ బ్యాచ్ కూడా నర్సల్ బ్యాచ్ వేరే బ్యాచరా ఆరా ప్రయత్నం Oh, online people, someone responded. Nice. Ravi. Leap year. The- Yeah, nice example, Ravi. Leap year. నువ్వేరా నువ్వు ఎక్కడికి ఏజ్ దగ్గరే ఉన్నావు ఎందుకని ఆ? చెప్పు లేకపోతే ఏజ్ ఏంటి గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 18 ఇయర్స్ ఆర్ జెండర్ షుడ్ బి మేల్ ఆర్ ఫీమేల్ Hey, every day we entering the Facebook like email or mobile number you enter, right? Login purpose. What should be added? Anyone is okay now. Username should be email number or mobile number. Anything is fine. At last, like that you think? Ah. A skill should be to get the full stack developer. The skill should be what? Either Java skill or .NET skill. No problem. That is like we have the R. Skill should be what? Either Java or .NET. Then you will get the job in my company. You get the job in what? My company. Okay? Password. Hey, Naresh మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. Naresh stand over. Password or fingerprint. Nice. We should unlock. ఏ వాడుకుంటురా చెప్పురా ఏదో నువ్వు ఇల్లు నిలబడ్డా ఏదో చెప్పు చెప్పాడు రా నరేష్ One more thing. Email or mobile, Java skill. This is R operator. Cash or card. Hmm. Television or? Television or? Hey, Uttara, solve it. I don't want. Hey, that is the last one. Hey, you write one point here. Just you can take the enter your name. Next example, on change event, you write the example now. Enter your name. The name is what obviously Naresh. We want to see Naresh Suresh. I written Naresh. You know, flow on Naresh. Soumya, Samma, Pujita, Sopraja. Subject. Enter your name. Enter your name is what? Naresh. Enter the location. See guys, Naresh visited like Hyderabad. Naresh visited like Hyderabad. He want visited the tourist locations in Hyderabad. What location ma? Tourist location. So check the tourist location. Just like tourist location button you can create. What even ma? Tourist location. Hey, not button guys. We are talking about like what on change event, right? A tourist location you can check the tourist what? Location. Tourist tourist what? Location. On change event, you will tell me one thing. Change locations like that. Hey, this one you write with the enter the name is Naresh. Enter the location is what, ma? Wait, location is what? Hyderabad. Location is what? Hyderabad. Hey, this one you write the on-click event. One assignment type you can write. What event among? On-click event. Tourist locations he checked. When he checked the tourist location, what we should be displayed like just check the if condition. Maybe he enter the location Hyderabad. Or sometimes he will search for the Hyderabad or Secunderabad. Secunderabad. When he search for the Hyderabad or Secunderabad, he should give the some messages. What the message here? Welcome to city. Welcome to what? Welcome to city. Otherwise, simply can to give tourist locations, guys. One is what? Tank Bund. Tell me, guys. Tank Bund and what? Charminar. And we can write what? Golconda. Inka. Zoo Park. Like that, you can write the thing. See, this message should be displayed in the browser. Then we enter the Hyderabad or Secunderabad. We enter the Hyderabad or what? Secunderabad. So just you can write the message, hey Naresh, hey what? Naresh, the tourist places are, tell me guys, the tourist places are, just you can write the Tank Bund, Charminar, Zoo Park like that. Sometimes like, Shiva visited like, Vizag. Then Shiva is searching for these tourist locations in the Vizag. Sometimes Shiva will search for what? Vizag. And sometimes, he will search for the location is what? Visakhapatnam, right? Yes, or no? Tourist locations are what? Vizag or Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam, he will check the locations, right? Then when we enter the Vizag, then you can give the message. Hey, Naresh, the tourist places are what? Tell me guys, in Vizag, what the places here? Beach, Disconda beach, A beach, E beach, right? All the beaches and all the information for that, right? Good. Sometimes he will search for the data like, and Soumya, and she's searching like Vijayawada. Then she's searching for the Vijayawada or she's searching for what? Vijayawada, right? She's searching for what? Vijayawada. Sometimes she's searching for what? Vijayawada tourist locations. Then we should get the message is what? Her, her Naresh. Then we got the tourist places are what? Like Durga temple or something like that. Prakash and Barres. You do like that, guys. Got it done? Good. Something like, and someone is entered the ABC, just he can get the message that, hey, like that, guys. When he enter the tourist location, Secunderabad or Hyderabad. Secunderabad or what? Hyderabad. Some message. Vizag or Visakhapatnam. And Vijayawada or what? Vijayawada. Like that, you can get the what event is triggered, guys? On click event is triggered. Yes, next one is on change event is triggered. What event am I? On change. On change event, you write your favorite arithmetic operators. Enter the first number. Enter what? First number. Enter what? Second number. We enter what? First and second. Enter the first number and go to second number. Enter the first number and second number, and you can go for what? Arithmetic operation drop down. Arithmetic operation drop down you can take here when you have a drop down. Drop down contains addition, multiplication, division, subtraction, like that. Drop down. You selected addition, just you can get the message like result is what addition result. We cut it up. This is arithmetic operation. What you will get here? Drop down. Drop down is what? Option changed. What is changed? Option. Option changed, then what happened? Option changed means what? The result should come, right? Like that, you should write the arithmetic operators. Operator, but arithmetic operator. This is called on-change event you prepare. What event? On-change. Hey, that is called logical operators, guys. Not means what? Flip purpose. Hey, some people ask the question like flip operator. Flip means what? Reverse. Reverse means what operator? Not. Operator, not. That is called flip operator. Good. Hey, do you know ternary operator, right? What is a ternary operator? Ternary operator. What is a ternary operator? Ternary operator means conditional, right? Condition? Condition question mark. Ternary operator syntax is what? Question mark. Condition question mark. Condition is true means expression 1 colon expression 2. Now this is what operator mark? Ternary operator. First one is what? Write the condition. Condition is true means. Condition true means what? Expression mark. Condition false means. This is something like if else, right? Something like what? If else. Then tell me when to use if else and when to use ternary operator. You know ternary operator. Question mark. Condition true means expression 1. Condition false means expression 2. That is called what? Knowledge. That is what? It is skill chapter. When to use if else 2 options, right? Ternary operator how many options? When day. Hey, real time mostly we will write 80% cases ternary operator has the code. We never write if else. 20% cases, rare cases, we will write if else. And then we ternary operator is very powerful. Ternary operator is what? Just like if else only, right? Just like what? If else. Tell me what are different. When do you use ternary operator? When do you use if else? Oh. Or mother some Hey. See, we write the condition based on the ternary operator case. Condition is true means what? Expression 1. Condition false means what? Expression 2. When do you use like ternary operator means when you want write a single expression concept. What expression? Single expression. Single expression like one message is there, one small message is there. Condition true means 10. Condition false means 10% discount. Condition false means 20% discount. Then you wrote don't write if else condition, if of condition, braces opening, braces closing, and else block again braces opening, closing, like that. When we have the multiple statements, when we have what? Multiple statements. The condition true means I want to write the 5 lines of message or 5 lines of logic. 5 lines of logic means what? You can go for the block, if else block. If else what? Block. But single expression means one line of message, like 10% discount. Here we have the discount, like coupon code is like one thing. We have the save 10 coupon. Coupon code is more than 10,000, then we go for the save 20, something like that. Only two values we have. We need to store the two values. In if else condition, these are unoperated. You can go for one operator, ternary operator. By ternary operator is what? You write the, single expression is there, you can go for ternary operator. When do you use if else block? Multiple lines of code, multiple block of statements are there, you can go for what? See, you have the coupon code, just you can check the coupon double equal to what? And see guys, coupon code is what? Coupon code is double equal to something like ABC. If it is a true means what? I'll give the coupon is saved there. Otherwise, I'll give the coupon is what? Saved only. That's it. See guys, 80% cases will use ternary operator for a single line of expressions. Single line of expressions. Rare cases, you will write the if else block to write the multiple lines of code. Online multiple lines are. Wait, that is called ternary operator, guys. Hey, how many operators we done? One is what? Arithmetic operator. Second one is the relational operator. Third one is the logical operator. Next one is the ternary operator. And tomorrow I'll tell you what the increment decrement operator. That's fine. Plus plus means what? Increment. Minus minus means what? Decrement. When they use increment? Increment means what? Increase, right? Decrement means what? Decrease, right? When they use increment. Simply, if we want to go for the value from what? Increment, right? Increment is what? Lowest to highest value. If you want to increase at 1 to 10 means what? You want to print 1 to 10. 1 to 10 means what? Plus plus. Yes or no? Plus plus. You want to print the 10 to 1 means what? Minus minus. So you want decrease, right? 10 to 1 means 1 to 10 means increment. 10 to 1 means what? Decrement, right? 10 to 1 means what? Decrement. That's it. Yes, next one is assignment operator. You know assignment, right? What assignment? Equal to. This is normal assignment. We have this is called normal assignment, assignment. Compound assignment, right? Second one is what? Compound or complex assignment. Compound or complex assignment is there. Then, when do you use the complex assignment is what? Plus equal to, minus equal to. Yes or no? Plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, like that, right? Exactly. A doctor standard? Another problem. Hospital వే ఇదేంటి ప్లస్ ఈక్వల్ అంటే ఏంటి ప్లస్ ఈక్వల్ మీన్స్ వాట్ అల్లు తిరిగించాడు ఆపరేటర్ అయితే ఏం ఆపరేటర్ ఏం చేస్తుంది ఇది ఎప్పుడు అడుగుతా ఉంటారు ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒక లైన్ చెప్పు ఏజ్ ఏజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు కదా అది ప్లస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏజ్ ప్లస్ you sit properly. You are sitting like movie you are watching now. Vamshi will tell you. Vamshi మాట్లాడుతున్నారు కదా. Vamshi standard. A plus ఏ పోడతారు. Plus equal when we use. Shorthand operator. You are all
సార్ a plus equal to 10 అంటే a equal to a plus 10.
Then you tell ABC. Hey, answer is correct. You have the confidence about your answer, you tell that got it right? Anyone, if you know plus equal. ఏదో చెప్పండి స్టాండ్ అప్ కౌంట్ ఈక్వల్ టు కౌంట్ ప్లస్ ఎంత కౌంట్ ఎంత ఇది
పనిలో వైద్యం యూజ్ చేస్తాం.
Okay.
తప్పేం కాదు ఎక్కువ
Okay. Fizz means like fizz score increment you are saying some. Yeah, then you can take the score. Even cricket score also incrementing, right? Score equal to score plus nice answer. Score plus next plus 2 something like that. Then instead of writing the score equal to score plus 2, cricket score or quiz score, whatever it may be, that is only requirement. That's all no. Cricket, you can say requirement, no problem. Score equal to score plus 2. Instead of writing that one, you can write what? Score plus equal to 2. Score plus equal to what? 2. Then go for your person. Sum equal to sum plus summa. Then what? Then equal to sana. That's it. Hey, that's it, guys. Bank balance you can take, right? Bank balance what? You can write the balance equal to what? Balance plus you write the deposit amount some 1,000, right? Instead of writing that like what you can write balance plus equal to 1,000. That's it. Balance equal to balance plus 1,000. Then you can write the balance plus equal to what? 1,000. That is the normal assignment, compound assignment, or complex assignment. A score equal to score plus 2. Instead of writing like that, score plus equal to 2. Balance equal to balance plus 1,000. Then instead of writing like that, you can write what? Balance plus equal to 1,000. These are called operators in the JavaScript. Arithmetic operators we done, relational operators, logical operators. Next one is what? Ternary operator. A ternary operator when you have a single condition. When you have a single condition, single expression. Single condition, single expression. Single expression you can write the what operator? No? Ternary operator. The condition is true means expression 1 executed, expression 2 executed. Here block of code only an expression. Mostly in the real time, we have one expression. You can check like, it's a prime or, prime or not. Prime or not means you don't write if else condition, right? You just write the number is something like prime number, then prime or not. Palindrome or not. Just you can write the two statements, right? Yes or no. మీరు అన్నిటికి if condition రాస్తారు కదా, then the code becomes this much. You shorthand, you can use like, question mark. Question mark is what? Ternary operator. A increment, decrement 1 to 10 means increment, 10 to 1 means what? Decrement. Assignment operator, normal assignment, and what? Complex assignment. Hey, it's not like you please talk properly, think about the requirement. Don't think about the ABC variable, XYZ variables like that. You try to make the code is like, sense. Make the code is what? Sense. Without sense, don't write the code. If you write the 10 greater than 20 and the 30 less than 40, the summary page classes, they write the code like that. What is the use of the line table first of all? ఇది నేర్చుకుని ఏం చేస్తాం, రియల్ టైం ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వర్క్ చేస్తాం, వెరీ డేంజరస్. When it right? Yeah. రాసుకోండి, write the example. First write this one. The function script is there. You know that if else and all, right? Which case you know already. I written only one case, remaining cases you write. That's the HTML code enough. Remaining code you finish it. This right, front answer. How many of you not completed 2 quizzes standard? Hey, do you know arithmetic operator that point rules, right? Operator precedence. Arithmetic operator, what the precedence we have? First priority goes to? No? No, brackets. First priority goes to brackets. Next priority? Second priority. Huh? Exponent. What is exponent? Power. Power exponent. Okay, power. Okay, fine. Arithmetic operators, you tell me. Just brackets are there. Next priority goes to division modular, right? Star division modular. Asa, even exponent also here only come, right? Second priority, like first priority bracket, second priority exponent star division modular. Third priority is what? Plus minus, that's all. plus and minus. Hey, continuation this example, you write the on change event next example. When you change on change event is triggered when you change the option, right? When you change the option. Second example is what? Continuation, enter the first number, enter the second number, and arithmetic operation. Drop down you can create for all the values. Drop down. What the drop down you selected, you can print the result in the browser itself. That's all. Result equal to something like that. If you selected an addition. So condition based or argument based enough, right? Argument based we can write the code. That's which case you write a complete. You don't write only Hyderabad case, huh? Copy rating rayatu. You write the complete case. Don't write the complete HTML code and all. You write only what I given. Just write the H2 tag like this enough. HTML body head like this. You write the HTML what you required and you write the JavaScript function. That's all. Write the both examples fast. And